my name is Emma. I came here about 3 months ago for the first time after it dislocated my left ring finger and tore the tendon, resulting in a small avulsion fracture and a mallet finger situation while I was trying to grab my dog. So came here, they casted it up until the bone was fully healed, and then we did some therapy to get the muscle back where it needed to be, stronger, flexible, back to functioning again. And then 3 months later, I broke my pinky finger on my other hand, doing nothing actually. Just stood up and lost balance, put my hand down, and it snapped kind of like in a Y. So it fractured in the middle of my finger. I had to have surgery to have pins put in it. So I am back now. As you can see, they fitted me for this splint, and then I am actively working on bending it and just getting it back to functioning again until they take the pins out again in a couple more weeks. And that's where I'm at now. I knew pretty much immediately, just based on my doctor's recommendations, of getting therapy as soon as you can, especially for the second injury. He wanted me to be in within a week. So I called, I think, the day after I met with my hand specialist. It's the first time I've ever significantly injured myself, so it's the first time I've done it. If you're not sure, it's always worth at least coming in and doing that initial consultation, see what they have to say, because if you wait too long, it's going to be harder, if not at all, being able to fix it. So the sooner the better. There's always the option to come in, see what they have to say, and then make a decision from there. This one's still in the healing process, so can't really say for that one. Hopefully it'll be able to fully bend. I can actually use my muscles now. I can grab things with this hand that I wasn't able to do before, so it's made it functional again. I always say that listen to the experts. Google can only get you so far, but having people that really know what they're doing, that know how to guide you through the process. They give me exercises to do when I go home. They're definitely not things I would have known on my own. For example, I didn't know that how interconnected all of your fingers were, that when one bends, the other one kind of does that too. So I would say trust the experts. This is what they do. It's their goal to help you feel better and heal. So don't wait if you're on the fence. Definitely just go check it out.